Dreo space heater. Nice and warm. Indicator to kind of tell you the comfort level in here. As it gets hotter, this ring will start to turn more orange. Right now it's like a yellowish color because it's cool in here. You can also use this as a fan too if you wanted. It also has different heat settings on it, so if I hit the minus button here, it'll lower the wattage, the heat. Oscillation at 120 degree. And it stopped. Oh, there it goes. And timer. Way up 8 or 12-hour timer, and then to shut it down. It has a 30-second countdown, so it goes off the elements. Okay, guys, that's it. That's your Dreo space heater. I like this thing. So, for people who like this type of stuff and HVAC and plumbing stuff, please like and subscribe. Have a great day, guys.